was once called, I work in the hospital, I was once called by a non-Muslim funeral director. And he said, Imam, I have a Muslim family who's contacted me and they want us to do their funeral. I said, that's quite strange. We've got enough Muslim funeral directors in this area. He said, can you speak to the family? I called the family. It was a father, over 60 years old, 65, 70 years old. He said, my son has passed away. He was about 40 years old. 40 years old. He had brain tumor. And I want his funeral to be done. Are you able to help? I said, I'm able to help. I said, we've got some Muslim funeral directors. He said, no. I want this non-Muslim funeral director to do it. But the only reason I called you is because I want his ghusl to be done, and I want his janazah to be done, and I want somebody to make dua at the grave. That's the only reason. Can you do it or not? I thought to myself that here is a Muslim family. I don't want them to not have prayers. Let me join them and let me help them during this time. So I went. The day before the ghusl, the night before the ghusl, the father rang me with his mother, his wife next to him. And he said, Imam, we have a request which my son would have loved. So when we do the ghusl and when we bathe the body, after we bathe the body, you know, you do the wrapping of the cloth. Is it okay that we can put on him a shirt of his favorite football team to take down with him in the grave? Can we put his favorite football team shirt on him so that he can go down with it in the grave? Brothers and sisters, I can give you hundreds of stories like this. Our iman is at threat. There is no greater asset that we have. The money that you lose is worth nothing. The houses that you lose is worth nothing. Anything that you lose is worth nothing as long as you protect your iman. Iman will take you to Jannah. Iman will take you to paradise. Iman pleases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He said, can I put this shirt on him? And then he gave me the name of the football team as well. So it was already not going to be allowed, and then it became double not allowed. Which football team? He was going to take the devil with him down into the grave. The red devil. He was going to take the red devil with him down into the grave. I said, no, you can't do this. We will shroud him. We